Hello again, here from our public corner. When thinking about training and military personas, having technology that you can count on isn't just important, it's critical. Let's hear more about our TOUGHBOOK rugged devices.
Leading the way for digital transformation in the defense sector, Panasonic TOUGHBOOK is optimizing defense operations and military efficiency. The mission-ready mobile devices are trusted by international defense partners and tested to the strictest military standards for reliability and durability. Where others fail, TOUGHBOOK is on hand to support the team. For over 20 years, we've worked in partnership with defense organizations and system integrators to deliver rugged, commercial, off-the-shelf mobile solutions for today's digitally enabled militaries.
The rugged devices are really built to handle any mission. Experience them yourself, book your free tour, and visit us here in the Panasonic campus Munich.